Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. We are already done with 40 words out of the 500 words that we are focusing on. So continuing with the series on focus, today we will look into 4 words. In, is, it, I. So let's start with the first word, in. In front of, in fact, come in, go in, I am in. Do come in, Ajay came in. Get in here, stand in line. Can I come in? I'm in Mumbai. I live in Bengaluru. Keep in touch, stay in touch. Anybody in here? Ajit walked in. I am in no hurry. Get in the car. Get in the boat. I am in the car. Keep it in mind. I paid in cash. Trust in God. The second word is ease. It is. This is. There is. She is. What is? Who is he? Who is she? She is my daughter. What is this? This is a road map. Who is he? He is my father. He is nice. He is kind. Who is she? She is Dhanya. She is beautiful. She is a teacher. How is life? Life is fun. Life is like the rising sun. Life is great. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Whose book is this? This is my book. The next word is it. 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 In it. Get it. Like it. Take it. It is. Is it your bag? Yes, it is. It is new. I like it. Can I have some water? I'll get it for you. Take it easy. Whose guitar is this? It's my brother's guitar. Don't touch it. It is hot today. Yes, it is. It rained yesterday. It's a nice day. Go and see who it is. What's it? It's a piece of cake. Can I have it? Yes, you may. The fourth word is I. I see. I am. I won. I miss you. I lost. I'm okay. I agree. I tried. I am Sharmila. I am happy. I am calm and relaxed. I am healthy. I am blessed. I am ready. I am sorry. May I eat? Yes, you may. Am I clear? I can swim. I can walk. So that's all for today. I have continuously focused on not translating the words or sentences into Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, or any other language. The reason behind is when you translate, your mind always searches to do easy things. So it likes to take you to the comfort zone. So if it is, how are you? Mind says, okay, अब इसका translation मुझे चाहिए. So the translation is, आप कैसे हो? So when the translation is done, your mind starts waiting. अब क्या है? अब आ रहा है translation. हमारा माइंड है ना, जो भी आसान चीज़ें हैं उसको ढूंढ लेता है. जब आप कोई चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि मुझे 6 महीने में इंग्लिश सीखना ही है, तब माइंड आपसे सवाल करेगा, क्यों भाई, इतने दिनों तक सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा था, ट्रांसलेशन करते करते दिन निकल रहे थे, अब ये क्या नया सूझा है आपको कि आपको सीधा इंग्लिश में ही सब कुछ बोलना है? तो आपका माइंड आपको बोलेगा चुपचाप बैठ जाओ. आपको कंफर्ट जोन की तरफ आपका माइंड लेकर जाएगा. तो इसलिए आपको कम से कम ट्रांसलेशन करके इंग्लिश सीखना है. व्हाट इज़ माई फोकस इज, you have to do less and less translation. You have to take up the challenge that within 6 months I am going to speak English comfortably. Tell your mind, I have accepted the challenge and I am not going to go into that comfort zone. Challenge your mind to this. I am not going into the comfort zone. I have decided I am speaking English in another 6 months and I am going to do it. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration, and be happy always.